Hello, in this video I show you how to capture your full computer screen with audio narration. At first, open your Camtasia Studio application. Here are three options: New Project, New Recording, Open Project. For recording your PC screen, just simply click on the recording button. The select area by default full screen is selected. That means we capture full computer screen. The green line, that means the screen is full recorded. You can change the dimension, and this is drag and droppable. In recorded input buttons, we can enable webcam or audio, or if we want we can disable this. Just click the button. If you want to enable, just click again. You can also up and down your volume. Select our microphone. By default, our system audio is recorded. To record your screen, just simply click the record button or press F9. Now I am clicking the button and our screen recording is open. And start. For example, I am going to my browser and type our screen is recorded. To stop your recording, just press F9 or stop the button. If you want, you can delete the video or you can pause the video. I would like to stop the video. When you stop your recording, automatic screen is loaded to manage your project. This is our screen. For example, I am going to my browser and type. This is our video. Thanks for watching.